Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Ermawati from IKIPGRI Bojonegoro. I would like to present my article, my title, Post-Pandemic Learning Design for English Study Program. Number 1, Introduction, Method, Result and Discussion and Conclusion. Number 1, Introduction. From 2020, the main 2022, the students of hybrid education underwent full online learning and gradually hybrid learning. The students were dissatisfied with the condition he did not enjoy the learning process. The lecturer tended to share file and give assessment, now engaging interaction between the student and the lecturer. The online classroom management carried out by the lecturer was good enough and demotivating. Now, final goal, the interactive all material was targeted for the student. The lecturer just share the material with minimum and without explanation. In the post-pandemic, the student will be engaging in fully online learning. So, to sharpen the student knowledge and improve the student activity, almost all lecturers employ classroom management with project-based learning and case-based learning. It is very important to conduct active learning with students that is worthy and not the actual name of the text. Both problem-based and case-based and project-based learning have their place in today's classroom and can complement and century learning. Project-based learning is often multidisciplinary and longer, where problem-based learning is more likely to be a single subject and shorter. Generally, project-based learning follows general steps, while project-based learning modifies specific steps. Importantly, project-based learning often improves authentic tasks that fall under real-world problems, while problem-based learning uses scenario and case and perhaps less related to real life. Project-based learning is an instructional approach where students learn the investigated complex question, problem, and challenge. It promoted active learning, encouraged students, and allow for rigor on undertaking. Students explore the whole problem and with answer talk the completion of a project. Students also have some control over the project will be working on how the project will finish as well as the end project. Method. The descriptive qualitative research use primary and secondary score to collect the data. The primary score consisted of lesson plan and syllabus, while the secondary score we derived from journal, article, book, and other references. The researcher investigated to the design of post-pandemic learning for English study program under project-based learning and case-based learning. The cause-based analysis will their common support Pancasila, Bahasa Indonesia, and Pendidikan Agama or Religion Education, one institutional cause landasan pendidikan, and have causes speaking of daily context, general vocabulary, basic English grammar, learning, literary reading, listening for daily context, all courses we given to this semester study. The result and discussion, course Pancasila. Project-based learning, where book draft based on inspiration true story of Pancasila student profile. Agama or education or religion education, develop of map of Islamic speech in Java Islands. Bahasa Indonesia, write and send news about local event to online media. In the case-based learning, analyze and discuss the quality of Indonesian essay writing by university student. For landasan pendidikan educational foundation, project-based learning, write and publish essay on the implementation of 5 education foundation in journal. It is speaking of daily contest, project-based learning, creative video on the daily topic speaking and upload them is in YouTube. General vocabulary, writing English diary on vocabulary expressive of online tool tuition by the student. Basic English grammar, analysis and correct grammatical error and classmate writing. Literal reading, analysis and discuss the content of reading text given by other group. Listening daily context, analyze and discuss the listening audio given by other group. The lecture role, from the syllabus and lesson plan in project-based learning or case-based learning, the lecture play the following role. Designer as a design of authentic learning experiences that address content standard. Facilitator to facilitate learning with technology and add fit to support student achievement. Number 1, will a culture of study related and inquiry given part of the culture building is an emphasis on excellence and the use of peer critique along with revision based of feedback to get great result. Number 2, management activity to improve the student project management skill by improving teamwork, team management, and interacting tool of inquiry and creativity. Number 3, engage on course by expression in teaching move the help student take risks, persist thought challenge, and celebration successes. Collaboration, emphasis collaboration between lecturer and the study. And the last conclusion, problem-based learning and case-based learning is in fact a subject of project-based learning in the sense the one way an instructor can frame a project is by asking students to solve one or my problem. Project-based learning is collaborative learning created interactional approach where students work in group to contract their knowledge and gain mastery of the course context. Both problem-based and case-based to classroom management and will be applied to all courses taken by the first semester study at the English program study. The lecture will play a role of design facilitator collaboration in both learning. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.